Listing your business on Google is now easier than ever. Search for Google My Business and click on the link. Enter your business name. If it's not listed, select Create a Business with this name. Choose the relevant business category. Decide whether to add your business office location on Google Maps. Select Yes or No. If you select Yes, enter your business address and position the marker on the map. Select the delivery options based on your business. Add any additional areas of delivery if applicable. Enter your contact information for customer inquiries. To manage your business and listing better, select Yes to receive updates. Verify your business using one of the provided modes. We'll use the phone code option in this case. Enter the verification code received via text. Congratulations! Your profile has been sent for verification. Enter your business hours and click Next. Enable the option to receive messages directly from customers if desired and click Next. Add a relevant business description and photos. Almost done! Google provides you with free 20,000 rupees credit for advertising your business, but we'll skip that step for now. If you don't have a domain name for your business, you can buy one, but we'll assume you already have a website. Once verified by Google, your business profile will be publicly visible. Congratulations! Your business is now listed on Google, making it easily discoverable for customers searching for businesses like yours. For more videos, subscribe to the Yubi YouTube channel.